What's good, y'all? Back with another video. Most of my subscribers already seen this video, but it's for the people who haven't seen it before. So become a delivery driver with drop off, make $89 per delivery plus a tip on your own time. Become your own boss. It's easy, it's quick, it's fast. You don't need any experience, no GED, no master's degree. So if it sounds like something you'll be interested in, stick around for the video. So becoming a delivery driver with drop off, you can make $89 per delivery, plus you get a tip. Your tip can range anywhere from $20 to about $27. So let's get into it. Drop off courier perks. You get flexible hours. You work whenever you want to on your own time. They'll work around your schedule. You drive packages, not people. So unlike Uber, you wouldn't be driving the person around with you in your vehicle. You'd be delivering packages, making good money. So if you're someone who don't like to deal with people, this will be a great option for yourself. You get paid by the delivery. You don't have to stick around for 2 weeks in order to get paid. They pay you right after you complete the delivery. So if there's something you're interested in, apply with drop off. Apply today. Start making money. All right, we're going to take a look at the requirements. You got to be at least 21 years or older. You must be able to navigate through your city. However, it's going to be just like your GPS. Once you type in the address, it's going to guide you all the way you need to go. So you really don't have to be familiar with the city or the area. On the app, it's pretty much like a GPS. However, it's going to tell you what kind of package you will be delivering, who you need to speak to, the address where it needs to be dropped off, how much you're being paid. You also must have a smartphone that's capable of downloading this app, the drop off app. Now you can have a car, a SUV, a van, or even a box truck. Now it depends on what type of vehicle you have will determine what kind of products you will be delivering. So if you're in a smaller car, SUV, you'll be delivering smaller packages. If you have a cargo van or even a box truck, you'll be delivering large orders, pretty much heavy. A forklift will have to come by and help you with loading everything onto your minivan. You can unload everything once you get to the drop-off section. Okay, you must have a current driver's license and proof of insurance. And you must have a great communication skill talking with people because you will be picking up packages from one location and dropping it off to a next location. You could be delivering medical supplies, court documents, paint, roofing material, electrical, electrical material, or any type of home improvement, lawn and garden services. So become a courier today. All you have to do is sign up, download this app. You can also talk to an expert. I advise you guys, talk to the expert first. Ask them all the questions that you want answered. They will answer any question that you may have. Now, I can answer a few questions. However, with this YouTube, I don't see all the messages that come my way. I'm not sure why, but sometimes I can't see all of them. I can see a few, but not all. But if you have any questions, go ahead and ask the expert and take a look and see if this is something that's located in your area. I know all apps may not be located in every city and state. So take a look. You also get perks and benefits. You can get health insurance, dental insurance, medical insurance. You can also get a discount when you're trying to purchase a new vehicle with GM Motor. For example, If you're trying to purchase a brand new car, it costs $20,000. By applying for this app, being a partner with this app, you can knock off $5,000 to $6,000 for the purchase of that vehicle. Now that's great. Getting a discount when it comes to purchasing a new car, I definitely would jump in, tap in. This is something I would be interested in. You also get discount on tires and maintenance of your vehicle. So you will be saving money when it comes to purchasing any tires or getting your vehicle maintenance. So if there's something you're interested in, go ahead and download this app, Drop Off, and start making money today. That's all I have for you guys in this video. Stay tuned to my next one.